So, Hershey apparently cleaned my bed. And he's barking outside the window at my family members because they're leaving. He's just barking here. Hershey! Hey! He's mad. Gucci. Hershey. Hey. Hey. No barking. No. Hey! Shh! I've told him like a million times already not to bark. That's all he does. Hey. Come on. Hey. Over here. Look. Hershey. Aww. Look at that brightness, you guys. Wow. National Geographic. Back at it again with the lion cub. More dangerous than ever. We actually put a blue collar on him. Look at him. Well, he's so adorable. You see that? He's Scrappy-Doo! Hey, Hershey. Can you say for the audience, puppy power? Can you do that for us, Hershey? Can you say puppy power? No? No? Okay, then. Guess he's gonna be a boy. Hershey has grown to be very big over the past years. Well, not even years, months. You guys remember how small he was in the older episodes? We also gave him a haircut in case you would realize that. He's got a fluffy tail. Look at that fluffy tail. And he's gotten really big. He's sad. He's sad over there. Whip. Rest in pieces. He's sad. It's okay. It's okay. Really cute. A lot of people actually thought he died because there was no more Puppy Playtime episodes. Some people thought Hershey actually died, but no, he's still alive. He's still alive. So we're bringing back Puppy Playtime. He's pissed. He does not like the camera. I swear, he's so adorable. He's like curled up on my bed. Look at that. He's so adorable, Hershey. He's getting pissed. He's like... He sounds like a little motorcycle when he's about to bark. He's like... I can't make the sound. Oh, he doesn't like me making fun of his barks, apparently. And the cutest part is that he actually brought this from my brother's room. Oh, well, I can't show you anymore. He brought like an emoji pillow. He brought it with him. He like had it hanging. He was holding on from the tongue with his mouth. And he like dragged it over here and just threw it on my bed and then jumped on. Like, oh my god, you're so cute. And then he's so adorable. We're probably going to take him out later, so I'll probably record some more out there later on. Hi. How adorable he is back there. Hi, Hershey. He's in his little camo shirt. See it look good? There you go. Look how cute he is. Hi. Oh, he's just waiting for my little brother to get out of the bathroom. Hi, Hershey. He's so cute. Hi. He's just in the basement. Little camoed uniform. Did you just come out of Call of Duty? You Riley? Wanna go outside in the backyard? Yeah? Yeah. He wants to go outside in the backyard. Huh? Okay, we'll go right now. We'll just let him out. Ah, it's windy! Hey, what are you doing? Hey! What are you doing? You're like scraping yourself against the floor. He likes to sit next to the pool and over here on the chairs. What's he doing there? Where is he? He's adorable. Yeah. He likes to sit by the pool over there. What is he doing over there? Probably gonna use the bathroom. Oh, really? What is he doing? You trying to like cook or something? You want like a meal? What the hell, Hershey? What the hell was that? Puppy power over here? You knocked over this little plant right here. You knocked it all over. Really? Probably earlier. Jesus. Okay. Puppy power. What are you doing over there? You just like staring at a wall? Where's his toys? Let's give him a toy. Should we give him? I'll give him your goggles. How about that? That sounds good. That sounds good.
Come on, Hershey, let's go.
No, wait, what? Don't lock me out.
Hershey.
You're gonna lock us out. No! Why are you attacking the cat, Hershey? Huh? Hershey! It's a baby tiger! What are you doing to it? Do you not like cats or something? I'll take that as a no. He hates tigers or leopards or whatever. He hates cats. Do you hate cats, Hershey? Huh? Do you hate cats? You're killing a cat. Why? Oh, you little beast! He fell down. You are crazy. What are you looking up on YouTube? What? What is it? What is it? What? What is it? What are you barking at, huh? Oh, what's down there? There's nothing down there. The heck? What, you trying to take my seat, huh? Trying to be a little thug, huh? Take my seat, huh? I don't think that's how it goes. Give me this cat. This is the cat he was killing. Oh, fuck. He just took it out of my hands again. Now where are you going to explore? It's so dark down there. Hey, you forgot your cat. Boom. Just throw it at him. What is he doing? He's like trying to look for the TV remote. Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing over there? He's trying to throw the cat overboard. He's gonna throw it off. Oh! He threw it off. You threw it off. I knew he was gonna throw it off. He heard me. He's like, okay, I'll do it. Are you gonna get it? You gonna pick it up? You gonna pick it up? No? Yeah, I'll pick it up for you. Here. He's fucking pissed that I picked it up. Really? Really, Asian? That's a toy and you're kicking it off? Well, it is not, at least. Oh, shit! What are you doing? What are you doing down there? What is he? Oh my god, he found another toy. He sticks his head on the couch only to find another toy. Really? Really, Hershey? Like your favorite toy?
Disney Infinity fans assemble.
What the hell?
This is Allison Patrick from the teammate team, and today I'm going to unbox the newest Disney Infinity playset, Marvel Battlegrounds.
What are you trying to watch? Some ad?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Just for Fun 290. Today I'm going to show you the
guess.
Imaginext Gotham City Center.